he asked, Honorable Daud asked about the junior school, where it will be domiciled. I think the Presidential Task Force went through public participation, and they made a recommendation that the junior school needs to be domiciled in the current primary schools, so that and the reasons were two, mainly. The first reason was because it is going to be cost effective, because we have an extra 2 classes, that is standard 7 and 8. And then the other one was the issue of cost to the parents, where they felt that if they were to move to secondary school, they'll need to pay more for those uniforms and such other things. There was also the question of age, because it was felt that these children are much younger, and if they went to join their older brothers in high school, there might be a challenge there. So there is a decision that has already been reached that these schools, these children, this year 9 will be domiciled in.
There's a point of order here from the Deputy Speaker.
Yes. No, I'm saying when you say the age, you say it very lightly, because the age is a 10-year-old going to be able to be mixed with, children of the other gender and who are 18. There's a likelihood of sexual abuse. Yes, that is the reason. Yeah, so make sure that you're very passionate about it. It was a well thought out decision, because of those challenges where the older boys would perhaps, I wouldn't know, but they would perhaps end up molesting the younger boys, and that brings other challenges.
Point of order. But Mr. Speaker, the ones who would be in grade 9 would be the same age the Form 1s were before. So there are no 10-year-olds to go to grade 9. But what I am asking the nominee, grade 9, they do not have the classes in the junior secondary schools or the primary schools, where if you are confirmed, and it's only 3-4 months left, if you are confirmed, where are you going to take those grade 9s? And we do not even have labs in the primary schools or JSS. So where are you going to take them? It's only 3-4 months remaining. We need to think about it.
Very quickly, while in the high schools, we will have empty 2 classes and a laboratory or 2 which are full there. So I don't know what we will use those classrooms for, while we don't have them in the primary schools.
Yeah, I was actually coming to that. Thank you for those interjections. When the decision was reached that grade 9 or the junior school will be domiciled in primary schools.
Migos.
Yes.